Hi, welcome. Marta Valle here with Realty One Group MVP. I'm today here at my open house at 5060 Arancia Lane. Let me show it to you. And just before I go ahead, I wanted to give a special shout out to Lana and her family who just stopped by at my open house at a different house. And they've been following my YouTube channel for a while. So please stop by whenever you're in the area. If you have any questions about Ave Maria, about moving here, the real estate, please reach out to me here with my phone number, and I look forward to welcoming you and telling you more about Ave Maria. So let's check out this house. So this here is an Acacia floor plan in Maple Ridge. So this here, the street goes actually towards Rimini Street. This is right there, Rimini Avenue. And then this here is Ranso, and from there we also reach Salerno, and the center of town is in this direction. So let's see it here. It's a 1,513 square foot home, 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 bathroom, 2 car garage. This one was built in 2019. It has impact windows, really nice upgrades. It's tiled all throughout. And then you'll see here there's a ring doorbell. You can screen in this front porch if you want, according to HOA rules, obviously. And then here, as you come in, you right away have this little accent wall. This is all tile. And then you have this nice light fixture windows here. The windows have valences. It's very elegant. So this is the living space as you come in. The master bedroom in the back, kitchen. Here you see the second bath, and also the second bedroom is back there, and the den is right here. The den is the size of a bedroom, so you can use it as a bedroom. You see here it's a gym, and an office space. There's no closet here, but it would be easy to add one. There's a double door over here. And then here's the kitchen. There are tiles underneath the island here, quartz countertops, very pretty. Beautiful backsplash under cabinet lighting. Also nice upgraded cabinets. The height of the cabinets is upgraded. So here's the living room. You see it's a really nice space. And then this is the dining area. Okay, so let's check out over here the second bathroom. It's tiled to the ceiling, which is really nice. You see all these colors are very nice, soft colors. It's tiled all throughout. Here's a linen closet. There's another linen closet over here. You have the laundry closet. This is the upgraded washer and dryer, Maytag. And then you also have added cabinets, and again these here are also upgraded. And this here is the second bedroom. This is a queen size bed for size orientation. There's a fan, closet over here. And then this way we go to the garage. It's a 2-car garage. So you have the water heater right here, garage. And then also there's some shelving and also some cabinets. An automated garage door. And let's see. So here is the screened-in front porch, the screened-in lanai. It's very pretty. Let me show it. The screen is also a picture frame view, so you don't have any trusses here in between, which is really nice because I guess you can enjoy this view more. So here you have a lot of privacy from the neighbors, landscaping, a lake view, all fenced in. You have these beautiful Bismarck palms here, another one over here, really gorgeous. So let's check this out. We're in Maple Ridge, so you also have access to the Maple Ridge clubhouse, which is not far from here. There's this lake view. Very nice. A lot of extra landscaping. You have enough space for a pool if you want. There's an automatic sprinkler system. And let's check out the master bedroom. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, which are a really nice size. And then also, just in general, this house can actually be turnkey. So if you want an easy move, this one can be very easy. So here again, this is the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed, and this bed has also mattresses that can be adjusted in the head area and the foot area. There's a fan here as well. A lot of space. And then right here in front is another walk-in closet. Nice size. And then there's a second walk-in closet also over here. Really nice size. And here you have the view of the backyard and also the lake. You can see it a little bit better without the screen of the cell phone. This is the master bathroom. So here you have a shower, dual sink, the shower tile to the ceiling. There's this towel there as decoration, a separate water closet, and also a window. So this is really nice. You can see here is everything is tiled throughout. So let me know if you have any questions about this house or any other resales on your construction. And please reach out to me here with any questions. I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.